In the fantastical and far-off city of Clowntopia, all is not well. Meet Daffodil, the head clown. He's got a toothache that could make a lion roar in sympathy. But this is no ordinary toothache. It's a deathly contagious tooth disease threatening the entire clown population. Our hero, Dr. Bob, springs into action. Armed with dental expertise and a heart full of determination, he searches for a cure to save Daffodil and prevent a clown epidemic. From toothpaste pies to floss acrobatics, Dr. Bob explores every avenue to concoct the perfect cure. But time is running out and the tooth disease threatens to spread like wildfire. After a sleepless night of trial and error, Dr. Bob formulates the grand cure. But will it be enough to save Daffodil and the clown population from the looming dental disaster? With a sigh of relief, Dr. Bob administers the cure to Daffodil. The crowd erupts in cheers, and the threat of the tooth epidemic is vanquished. Another dental crisis averted, thanks to the power of laughter and a little dental magic.
Speaking of magic, this story has been directed by Mark Brody but was produced almost entirely by AI-generated script, voice, and imagery. Sure, Brody did the editing, but AI took the basic text prompt from his class and created the rest.